Hello, in this video I'll be showing how I made the helmet go from being just a standard Iron Man replica helmet to being able to do this. Magic. Of course it's not really magic. Look at that, no wires. So some might believe it to be magic, but it's actually quite simple. It doesn't involve any complex computer components or circuit boards or programming of code that you don't really understand or very expensive parts. In fact, it's all really cheap. I'm a bit of a tightwad. If you come a bit closer, Mr. Cameraman, I'll take that off and be able to see a bit better. And have a look in there. Can you see that? You see there's two battery packs. This one here with two batteries in powers the lights. And the lights are very simple. It doesn't run through a circuit board that goes, oh look, the helmet's closed, I'm going to have to now figure out to turn the lights on. Instead, it's just got a switch, and the switch is there. And when this faceplate hinge thing here comes down, it presses that. You can't really see in the sunlight, but the lights are coming on. Like that. Simple. As for how does the helmet open and close by magic, there's that there. Can you see that in there? That circuit board there? I said there's no complex circuit boards or anything, but I didn't build that. I borrowed it out of an old radio controlled car. I say an old one, it's brand spanking new, but it's only £8 from Argos. £8 from Argos, so I opened it up. All you have to do is take the top off, look at the little circuit board thing. You'll see two wires go to the motor that makes the front wheels go left and right. The other two wires go to the motor that makes the rear wheels go forwards and backwards. And the forwards and backwards thing is what I've got going on here, because I've replaced the forwards and backwards motor with two motors up the top here, two servo motors at the top here, and basically forwards is closed, backwards is open. And as for the control, I've taken the control from the car, cut it open, found the little tabs inside on that little circuit board, extended them with a couple of wires, and those wires now live at the top of the right thigh. Okay, the rest of the control is in there. So now instead of forwards and backwards, you've got these two little buttons here that are easy to find even with a glove on, because you just touch your hip pod, go down here and your finger will be between the two buttons, even though you can't really look down because you've got a big bulky shoulder in the way, but you'll know that you've got a button in front of your finger and a button behind your finger, and you know that when you press one of them, your helmet's going to close. Put your finger in there again so you know where you're at, press the other one and your helmet opens. You don't even have to be able to look at it, so I just go, oh look, there's the two buttons there, I can feel one here, put my finger in there, there's the two buttons, there's another one there, open it, easy peasy. No magic involved, no complex circuitry, I don't know much about electronics, I can just solder kind of, and yeah, just take some radio controlled carpets and chuck them in your Iron Man helmet and jobs are good.